The question says manganese atomic number is 25, has outer configuration. Okay, we have to write outermost electronic configuration for manganese. Then we have to write orbital notation, and always keep in mind in orbital notation filling of electrons is always done according to Hund's rule. Okay, orbitals are filled with the single spin followed by double spin. Okay, let's write electronic configuration. We have manganese, Mn is there. Atomic number is 25. How we write outermost electronic configuration? This 5 will go to d orbital and 2 will go to s orbital. So we get 3d 5 4s2. Okay, this is the outermost electronic configuration. Now we write orbital notation. Okay, so in d subcell, how many orbitals are there? 5 orbitals are there, and in s subcell only one orbital is there. So we have 3d5 and it is 4s2 is there. Follow Hund's rule. You can see these orbitals are filled with single spin followed by double spin. Okay, single spin, one spin, second spin, third spin, fourth spin, and this is the fifth spin. 5 electrons are there. Okay, now we don't have any other electrons, so that we can double the spin. In case of 4s2, single spin, then double spin. This is the arrangement of electrons we get in the orbital notation of manganese atom. Okay, any such option given here, you can see option we have B option is correct. Option B, 4s having paired electrons, and 3d each orbital has a single spin. 1 2 3 4 5. Option B is correct. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.